Like I normally do, I would select all, make sure they're ungrouped, and then I align them all by centering. Then I go and I size them. The measurements I've used, looks like I've done 7.884 and 8.056. Now for the sled, oops, how am I doing that? I need to open it back up. Close the reindeer. If I would have grouped that, that would have been a little faster. Okay, so there is the whole sled. Now, how I determine size, once again, is I select everything and I center everything. Here is the sled that I did, and I measured it out, needing to be 10 inches wide by 7.265 high. I did this with grouping everything as it was aligned in the center. Now these are just the measurements I did. Feel free to change them around as you wish. And then I went ahead and clicked Make It. Okay, so I went ahead and I did a few things off camera. First of all, I'm going to show you the reindeer that we've made. I did 2 layers of cardstock and then I just glued them together so that it's a reindeer on both sides. Now what I went ahead and did, there's my elf waiting for his home, but I went ahead and I attached the white decorations. I used my Xyron sticker creator to do that. I also folded all my creases that needed to be folded, and we're going to start putting things together. So here is just the base. So we are just going to, or I'm just going to use my tape gun and run a bunch of tape over it. And then I'm just going to layer the other side so that they're on top of each other, and crease them better or fold them a bit better, and they'll stand like that. Okay, so we'll just put that one aside. Excuse me. This is our front. It's going to sit like this. fold it in like that. Still have a bit of tape there from when I put the piece on. So that's the front. And then these are all the sides. Now for the front, you're going to, from what I can see, it fits best if you flip it like that and match it right in. So that's what we're going to do. So you fold it this side so it goes this way, not that other way, like so. I'm going to apply glue there. Like so. And then I'm going to apply glue down this side, because this is what's going to attach to the one side of the sled. You could use tape too if you chose. So I'm just going to now make sure, oh, I have the wrong side. It goes like this, that's right. Okay, so now I'm just going to match those up. And did I bring them in? Yes, I did. I have something to hold that with. So just keep it down. I like to keep it flat on a flat surface. Line up your circle part in the front. Give it a clip so it doesn't move. And then attach the base. Now we're going to do the same thing, but on the opposite side. Or do I want to put the back on first? I'm going to put the back of the one side on. So we're going to, once you've got it all folded and creased, you're going to add your adhesive, whatever you use. Just work on lining it up. That's what I like using the white glue for. It's a bit more forgiving. Gives you a few more minutes to work with things. Also give this time to fold your next side, your other side a little better. And you can put, not dry for a second. We need to attach, I'm just going to do it this way. We need to attach this back piece to the seat. So I'm just going to add some tape from my tape gun. And once again, just line everything up so that when things fold, they fold where you need them to fold. Forgot I was using tape and not glue. I was trying to slide it. Not gonna slide. Try one more time. Can you guess what is on TV? Dora. So I'm just gonna do that. Now while you're waiting for this to dry, you could do some more work on your seat because it still needs to fold a bit. So let's put a bit of glue so we can fold this seat ahead of time. So just glue on the edges to make that fold come down. And just hold it there for a moment, or put a clip there. And then do the other side. And let that dry. And that is the beginning of our seat. So we'll let that dry for a few minutes. Okay, let's continue on. So we've got the seat and we're going to put it in a position. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to glue all the tabs on the one side. So we're just going to start running glue around all these tabs. Include the bottom one. Oh, that front one should have been glued on that. And then we're just going to slide it in and get it fit right in there. Here. That's my grandson eating his lunch. We don't feed the doggies our lunch. And just glue it in the face. This time you might as well work on gluing the other side too. Getting it in position. And let it dry for a few minutes. And let's put the rest of this guy together now. So we've got the base of the sled now. And we're just going to attach it to it. So what I'm going to do, just for quick, I'm just going to run some tape over this, a lot of it. because I want it to stick well. There's the front, there's your back, and just line the bottom up, give it a push down, give it a rub down so it stays. Unhook these. Yeah, those need another reinforcement. I was afraid that's what this was for. So we need to reinforce our base, our legs. So luckily I just taped that on, because it'll be a lot easier to do without it on. So I am going to have to use my glue. So first you're going to get the right side and add your glue. So once that dries, you just attach the base to the sled, like however, and then you would get your reindeer that you made. Let's get this mess out of the way. Slip the base in for your reindeer. Get your reindeer placed. Don't forget your Rudolph one. And then you get your elf on the shelf, and he just fits in there nicely. You can get yourself some rope or some string to attach, but there you go. There is a sled and reindeer that you can use for your elf on the shelf. And that's done with Cricut. So isn't that cool? Well, I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and please let me know how your project turned out, or if you've come up with any other ideas of how you can use your Cricut with your elf on the shelf. So until next time, guys, take care and happy crafting.